Well, hello diamond painters. Welcome to my channel. My name is Anjoli and I'll be doing an unbagging from Evershine. If you guys know, I had no luck with Evershine with my first order. And I'm still trying to get, this is supposed to be, hopefully my stuff will be resolved. And this will be the last video with the fail. Combined with an unbagging from them just because I thought it would help them out if I buy a small one. They could put the other diamonds I need in there. I have official tracking also with AliExpress in general. If I have any other issues, because this is the last time I'm dealing with them with this Rapunzel mess. And if I don't have all the drills I'm supposed to have, I'm just going to open a dispute and get my money back. Because I'm not doing this back and forth. This would be my third time. I'm done. Third time, I'm over. So the unbagging that we are doing, and this is why the Rapunzel's out here, because I want to check the inventory, because the blue dots over there are the diamonds I'm missing for this round to finish it. But yeah. But from AliExpress, it's Evershine official store. This painting, diamond painting, is called Universe. It's a full round. I did get only a 30 by 20 because I did not want to spend any more money with them, too much money with them, unless they resolve this issue. If they do resolve this issue fine today, and I see something I like on their store, then I'll buy it again. Buy something from them again. Sorry, I can't talk. But if it's not resolved and I'm still having issues, then I will never buy from them again. So I'm still giving these stores chances. So we'll see how this goes. But it was a bunch of confusion. Watch my previous videos to understand where I'm coming from. It's crazy, and I won't take up too much time talking about the fail. So we'll figure out how many colors this small diamond painting is. Like I said, it's only 30 by 20. It's called the Universe, but it's more of a picture of the moon and like a blue hue. It's really pretty. So I like it when I saw that. 'Cause like I said, I don't want to spend too much money if my problem is not getting resolved. But at the same point, I thought, look, I'm buying a diamond painting from you guys. I'm trying to work with you guys so you guys don't have to worry about going too crazy, just sending out drills and not making another sale. I'm saying to myself, so just work with me. That's all I'm asking. So, all right, there's nothing else. But that's what it looks like. Let me see if I can get the glare out of there and make this thing focus. Here we go. Is that better? I don't know. So it's the moon, basically with the blue hue around it. I thought it was pretty, and I thought for a 30 by 20, it should come out pretty decent for a small size because it's just one. Like I said, it's only one little object in the picture with not much details to worry about. I did get the good tweezers. Can you focus? With some, I don't know what that is on there. It looks kind of dirty, but 2 things of wax. The nice pen with the grippy. I finally got used to using my placers with Superman. Actually with Rapunzel, I started practicing using my 3 placer, my 6 placer, and my 9 placer. I think this is a 9. I don't like using the 9 placer. It seems my rows never come out completely straight. So yeah, white tray with the funnel. So I like the 3 placer better. It doesn't tell me which one is for which, but I'm pretty sure this one is for Rapunzel because there's a bunch of pinks. Come here, focus. There we go. A bunch of pinks. So this one's probably for Rapunzel. This one's probably for the moon one, as you can see. A lot of blues. So I'm sorry for the glare. I have the light on in general to make it a little better in here. So you guys can see the colors better. All right, take the saran wrap off. Let's get the piece of tape off. I know, it makes me cringe when I watch other people do this in their videos, but I know they're careful, but it's just cringy. Like, don't cut the canvas. All right. So this is 30 colors. I will have to write that down on my paper after, because I'm trying to keep these for post reviews, these papers that I write all this information down on. I just recently started doing that for my post reviews, so I've lost a lot of them or I threw them out by accident. But 30 colors for this small little thing, wow. And it's a 30 by 20. It is in 2 sections. Oh, that's not a cut. That's just some like smudge of something on there, like ink. Yeah, at first I'm like, oh no, is there a cut? No. Alright. So you got, it's on a foam roller, which is awesome. So we shouldn't have any problems with, like I said, their canvases are beautiful. I'm not gonna lie to you guys. Their canvases are gorgeously done up. I haven't had a problem with any of my Rapunzels, one with any rivers or anything. Like I said, I'm willing to give them another try if all my colors are here to finish my Rapunzel. And I will show you my Rapunzel too, even though it's not finished. Because it's for my daughter. So let's get this little thing open. It's so tiny. They give you so much. It's like, don't have to give me so much. Well, maybe if you need it for framing purposes, but see, it's like no rivers. There's little teeny like crease, but that can have done, you know, shipping. It's getting hot out, that it will do something to this glue, everybody. So those airplanes get hot. So they don't put a foam core on these things in the summertime, they're gonna have a lot of issues, to be honest. So yeah, see, something small. I just want to give them another chance to ship me the drills so I don't have to fully think they're just shipping me and paying for the shipping in general. See, I just like it. I like how the blue colors are. It's really pretty. There's no 310s in here. There is, of course, 823, 939s, but no 310s, so I won't have to worry about too much garbage. Let me see if I get this to lay back down, because we all know how I am with these sections. That's why I just rather cut my own sections into these instead of them coming sectioned off for me, because I'm a wreck. Just want to do this side real quick. And then I'll check the inventories on both of these, and I'll show you what Rapunzel looks like. But I'm working, you know, I'm a sensible person. I'm not a person that something goes wrong, I'm going to be down your throat in 5 seconds. I'm going to have some consideration. Maybe they're having a bad day, but if the problem still don't get resolved, then my anger will come out, and I don't want to be like that. See, it was ink. It's smudgy too. I don't know what that was. So I'm going to put you guys on pause real quick. I'm going to do inventory, and then on both of these, and I'll show you Rapunzel and let you know how everything went. All right. All the inventory is here. Rapunzel inventory looks good. I was short on 2 colors that I totally forgot about. They sent those too. Yeah. Let me fix this real quick so you guys can see the inventory. A bunch of blues. I know. I don't know what's up with me lately with a bunch of blues in my diamond paintings. But I do have a lot of them. I just want to move this up. Here we go. So, yeah, you want know what blues look like? Here we go. This is a pretty blue. It's, if you focus for me, 3843 is a pretty color. Always like 995. That's a pretty one. 939s, of course. I just recently used this one for Superman. This is the one on Superman that I was short on. If you guys watched my post review for June diamond paintings, I was short on these, but I used a different blue because there's so much blue in the Superman one. 820 is like a really dark denim blue. And you got some of the ice blues and frosted blues and things of that nature. But yeah, everything's here. I want to show you guys what's finished so far with Rapunzel. So I'm going to move these drills out the way real quick and you guys can see what she looks like. Alright, I think I'm going to do Rapunzel, finish her up before I do my husband's football helmet one. Because I want to make sure I do have everything and nothing is missing or shorted on. Alright, you ready? I probably won't be able to get some of these strips back on really good. But let's do a reveal. I thought this would be better. Instead of stopping the video and showing you what it looks like. So this is what it looks like so far. I have to finish her, but this is what I did with what I had. This is a 60 by 45. This is the Evershine store. And it looks pretty good. You can see the areas around here. I'm missing, you know, her skin tone basically. I am missing some color in the corner, right hand corner up there. That's actually a color I was short on, so I couldn't finish some of that either. But I was missing like key colors, like symbol, it's a little, I don't know, a little T, a little cross, whatever you want to call it. I was missing a lot of that. I was missing symbol A, the skin tone colors, a lot of the shading colors. But I think it came out pretty good so far. I just have to finish it up. And I can't wait. And I also have this in a square. So I will show you guys the complete finished product after the fact, because I still have a square one I want to do. So we can, you know, do a proper review. Same size. The drills are from a different store though. But they, the Hankins painting store that Ella told us about, if you watch her. So we can do a side-by-side comparison with the square and the round, the same size. The canvas is from the same company. I don't have any squares from Evermoment, but all the squares would be from the Hankins store. So we'll see what it's gonna look like, and we can compare official square to round, same size, same picture right next to each other. I think that would be cool. That was it. Thank you for watching, and have a good day, and see you guys in the next one.